Have you ever wondered if your computer is secretly slowing itself down even when everything looks fine on the surface? Well, inside your system, there are hidden commands that can reveal everything. From what's draining your battery to which app is using your internet secretly. And the best part, you don't need any third party software, just your command prompt. So in this video, I will show you 8 uncommon but very useful CMD tricks that can help you understand and optimize your PC like never before. So let's get started. If your laptop battery runs out faster than it should, there's a hidden report that can show exactly what's wasting power. So first go to Windows search and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now in command prompt window, type this command. Power CFG /energy and press enter. It will take about 60 seconds to analyze your system. It creates a detailed energy report, usually saved at this location. C:\windows/system32/energy-report.html. Now open this file in your browser. And you will see warnings and errors showing what's consuming power, like outdated drivers or background apps. It's one of the simplest way to find and fix power drain issues without installing anything extra. If your internet feels slow even when you are not doing anything, chances are some background apps are quietly using your data. So run command prompt as administrator and type net start -b -n -o and then press enter. This shows all active internet connections along with the process's name and ports. You can easily identify if an unknown app is using your network secretly. To stop it, simply note the process's ID, PID, and close it from Task Manager. A perfect way to catch hidden background apps using your data silently. Over time, Windows stores unnecessary old update files. These take up a lot of space and make your system heavier. So open CMD as admin. Now type dism.exe /online /cleanup image /analyze component store and hit enter. This will analyze your system's component store and tell you how much space old update data is using. If it shows reclaimable space or packages, clean it safely using dism.exe /online /cleanup image /start component cleanup and hit enter. It's a safe and official way to free up space that even most users don't know exists. And as you can see, the operation completed successfully. Sometimes updates get stuck or fail for no reason. This command sequence can fix that instantly. So in command prompt window, type net stop WUAUACRV and then press enter. Next type net stop bits and hit enter. Then type del /s /q %winder% /software distribution /* and press enter. Next type net start WUAUACRV and press enter. Now type net start bits and then press enter. They stop the update services, clear the update cache, and restart the services again. This refreshes your update system completely without losing any data. It's like giving your Windows update a fresh start whenever it misbehaves. If your PC refuses to go to sleep, even when idle, something is blocking it. Here's how to find out what it is. In command prompt window, type power cfg space forward slash requests and hit enter. This will list all apps, drivers, or processes that are currently preventing your system from sleeping. If you find a particular app responsible, you can overwrite it using this command. Power cfg space forward slash requests overwrite space processes space under invited comma app name.exe space display space system. Want to check how fast your drive really performs without using any benchmark app? You can do that directly in CMD. So run command prompt as administrator and type winset space disk space hyphen drive space C and then press enter. Now it will perform a quick benchmark of your system drive and show read and write speeds. It's a great way to confirm if your SSD or HDD is performing as expected. A simple built-in speed-up test that can reveal if your drive needs attention. Driver issues are often behind system crashes or poor performance. Here's how to see every installed driver in one clean list. So type driver query space hyphen si and then press enter. This command lists all installed drivers along with their signing information. Now look at the is signed column. If it shows true, the driver is digitally signed and safe. But if it shows false, the driver is unsigned, which might cause instability or crashes. So if you find any false entries, it's best to update or replace those drivers because unsigned drivers can sometimes cause system instability. So if you spot any, it's best to update or replace them. A hidden but powerful way to check your system's health through its drivers. Sometimes system crashes, slow performance, or file errors happen because of disk problems. But CMD has a built-in tool to check and fix this. So open command prompt as administrator and type this command. chkdsk space c colon space forward slash f space forward slash r space forward slash x forward slash f fixes error on the disk forward slash r locates bad sectors and recovers readable data. Forward slash X forces the drive to dismount before checking and then press enter. Now type Y and press enter again. Now you will see a message saying this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So now close the command prompt and restart your PC. When your system restarts, Windows will automatically scan and repair any disk errors. This process might take some time, but it's worth it. Once it's done, your drive will be healthier and your system performance will feel smoother and more stable. And that's how a few hidden CMD tricks can completely change the way your PC behaves. Simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.